Here are two ways to turn your iPhone flashlight on and off. If you have Siri activated, say, "Hey Siri, turn on my flashlight." "Hey Siri, turn on my flashlight."
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
Siri will turn on your flashlight. To turn it off, say, "Hey Siri, turn off my flashlight." "Hey Siri, turn off my flashlight."
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
If you have the Listen for Hey Siri feature disabled, press and hold the power button to activate Siri. On older iPhones, press and hold the home button for speaking commands. "Hey Siri, turn on my flashlight." For iPhones with Face ID, swipe down the upper right corner of the screen to open the control center. Then, tap the flashlight icon to turn it on and off. You can adjust the brightness by holding the flashlight button, and then slide or tap your finger along the vertical bar to adjust the brightness up or down.